Not all decayed teeth are candidates for teeth extraction. The appropriate treatment option depends on what you are going through and also the depth of the cavity. If the hole is just on the enamel, you do not have pain, you don't have sensitivity, such a tooth can be simply filled with a permanent filling to restore its shape and function. If the cavity goes into the second layer, you'll start feeling sensitivity to hot and cold things. At this stage, we do a temporary filling, which will take away the sensitivity in about a month, and then you receive a permanent filling to restore the shape and function of the tooth. However, if the hole goes into the pulp, which is the innermost layer of the tooth, you will have pain, sensitivity, and each and everything that you've been experiencing in the earlier stages. And such a tooth is indicated for either extraction or root canal treatment. Root canal treatment is quite an expensive procedure, and yet most people come at a late stage. So you end up losing your tooth and then end up with all the disadvantages that come with losing a tooth. For example, indigestion, premature aging, and even loss of esteem if the affected tooth is at the front. So it is very, very important for you to come early when the treatment is still affordable, so that you get proper care and your tooth is restored, such that you do not lose your tooth. Thank you.
These are 6 home remedies for toothache. Now, this will help you in case you have a toothache, for example, in the middle of the night, and you cannot easily access a dental office. Number 1, a salt water rinse. You get half a teaspoon of salt, put it in some water, and rinse your mouth. This will temporarily help you to soothe the toothache till the following morning. Number 2, we have a cold compress. You get a towel and you put ice from the fridge into a bag, put it into your towel and hold on the affected area. This will mostly help for toothache that was caused due to trauma. Maybe you fell down, you were beaten by thieves, or you had an accident. Number 3, we have garlic. You get a clove of garlic from your pantry at home, from your kitchen, you mush it and you make a paste, put it into the affected tooth. This will help you to soothe the pain. Number 4, we have cloves. These normal cloves, you put it around the affected area to soften, and then you slowly chew with the affected teeth. This will release oils into the tooth that will help to soothe it. Then, for example, for those who are in a rural setting, you can get guava leaves. Now you get this guava leaf and clean it very well. You make a paste out of it and you put into the affected area. Even sweet potato leaves can help you. But all these are remedies to help you to temporarily soothe the pain. This is not a permanent solution. You need to go and see your dentist so that the tooth is worked on very well. Thank you.